Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Solana wallet so you'll be able to store your Solana with other SPL token. In order to create your own wallet, you will need to go to their website first, which I'll need to take us to the like. You need to check on Google. Make sure you check very well. There's a lot of scam websites, clone Sollet website out there, so you need to be very careful. So go to your browser, click on your browser, click on Google, search Sollet.io. You need to be very careful when searching. You see, beware of sites attempting to impersonate Sollet or other debit service. You can see that there's a lot of scam websites. So you check very well if the spelling is correct. Check very well. Check very well. Check very well. Okay, click on it. Let's wait for it to load. You click on it, then as you can see, you press OK. You can see create new wallet. Create a new wallet to hold Solana and an SPL token. Please write down your information in the following 24 words and keep them in a safe place. You can see right now, you can see all the words here: enroll, flame, office, stuff like that. Your private key are only stored on your current computer or device. You need those words to restore your wallet if your browser storage is clear or your device is damaged or lost. In case our device is damaged or lost, so that you can have access to your wallet later and you can log in at any time. And note one thing: don't share your private key with anybody. Keep them safe. Don't share your private key with anybody. Just make sure you keep them safe somewhere. So we're going to copy this private key right now. You copy because you need that if you want to log in. I have saved those words in a safe place. You click on it. You can download if you want the download files on, like for your private key. Click on download or allow download. So starting download. You don't need to open the file. You can just check that later. Please type your seed phrase to confirm. So you paste the one you copy right now. You paste everything here, and you click on continue. Input password. You set up a new password. Like use password you're not going to forget. You're going to forget. Just make sure you see now. If you forget your password, you need to restore your wallet using your private key. You can't do anything without the private key. Even though you forget your wallet, you forget your password, you still need your private key to access the wallet. So you click on create wallet. Not now. So here we are. Boom. And one more thing, you can see now your wallet is ready to use. You don't have any issue. Like if you want to send or receive funds from someone, those are the things you need to do. See deposit address, you copy your address. Don't click on ETH. You don't need, because of ETH gas fee is kind of high right now, so you don't need that. You click on Sol. These are blockchain. The gas fee is low, fast, and transactional. So, and if you want to send to someone, you click on paste the person address in there, input the amount you want to send. And this is the most important thing for all the airdrop hunters out there. To all the hunters out there, if you want to add your SPL token to your wallet, you click on plus sign. As you can see there, plus sign, plus sign. You can see there, plus sign. So you click on it. You click on it. You click on it. You can see popular token. So those are the popular token they have here. You don't need all those ones because you want to add new token to their wallet. You see it here. You see the arrow. You click on manual input. Manual input. This is the only one you need. Token mint address. You must copy the right token mint address from their Discord or Telegram channel. You input the token mint address. Yeah. After that, you input the token name, like the project name, with the symbol, the token name, with their correct mint address, because you need that to mint their address. Add a token to your wallet. This will cost you 0.002 Sol. You need that for the transaction to be successful. So if you don't have any Sol in your wallet, the transaction will not be able to, and you will not be able to add any token to your wallet. So after that, after you input the wallet address, token name, token symbol, then you come down here. You can see it here. Add. You click on add. Invalid public key input, because I didn't put any mint address there. That's why the thing didn't show up. So after that, you see something will definitely pop up, like confirming the transaction. So after that, you see successful confirmation on your screen, and your token will be somewhere here, somewhere around this side. So that's all about that. And thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below, share to your friends, share to all the airdrop hunters out there. Thank you, guys. See you next video.